Hey flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. In today's video, we're going to learn all about how to grow a beginner-friendly, frugal cutting garden for this summer till fall cutting. These are going to be spring sown tender annuals that I'm going to name here. The seed source for these is either going to be Walmart or Dollar Tree, keeping in mind that Walmart sells seeds for 5 packets for $1, 20 cents a packet, and Dollar Tree sells them for 4 packets for $1, meaning 25 cents. So for $2, you can have yourself a beautiful cutting garden this upcoming spring and fall. Now, I am in a zone where I can direct sow this out in the garden, which is right now because my growing season begins the first to second week of March, and have crop to cut in July. However, if you are in a colder zone, you can certainly start all of these indoors. I'm in zone 8B, Southern California high desert, and all of these flowers, the seeds that I've picked, are okay to do in poor soil, meaning that you don't have to work hard to amend your soil, be it acidic, be it alkaline or whatnot. If you think it's so poor to where it's just dirt with cement mixed in, I will leave a link right here to watch my kitchen composting directly in the ground, and that is also a frugal way to amend your soil over time. It doesn't take a whole lot of time, but for, you know, say a few months period, you can have a free fertile soil. Now, I have 8 seeds here. These are all super easy, beginner friendly cut flowers. I have 2 of the Cosmos. These are, one is Sensation Mixed Cosmos and the other ones are Bright Lights. These are both annuals. And they say here that they would grow, one says it would grow 5 foot and the other one says it would grow 3 feet. The one that says 3 feet, this one, actually has grown for me about 4 to 5, and this one that says 5 has grown for me about 6 to 7. So, but they are very compact type of plants. They're tall and they do benefit from pinching, so they don't take a lot of room, but they give you a lot of crop to cut. I recommend that when you have about 6 to 8 inches of seedlings up, to go ahead and pinch the top that has the bud coming up in order for it to branch out and have more flowers to cut. I have 2 kinds of zinnias. One is the Cactus Giant and the other is California Giants. And both of these are also annual and they grow about the same, but this one is about 3.5 foot and this one is about 3 foot, about around the same area. But these also benefit from pinching, don't care much about soil or whatnot. Once they're about 6 to 8 inches tall, you can go ahead and pinch the first bud and have it branching. I have African daisy and straw flowers. Now, I actually have straw flowers that I dried up from my crop that is currently growing, and I wanted to show you that this did come from the seeds right here. This one actually grows about 5 foot, and this grows to about, it says here about 12 inches. I've had it grow about 8 to 9 inches. They're basically smaller sunflowers, very easy to grow, don't care about soil, just basically throw and go. And all of these that I'm showing you are throw and grow type of seeds. Now, these 2, I actually got them from my seed trades, seed exchanges. However, what I'm trying to show here is go for a sunflower variety in Walmart that has branching flowers. I know that in the 20 cents section you have Lemon Queen that does this. So you can get Evening Sun if you find this for 20 cents, or you can get the Lemon Queen. Basically the idea here is to get a sunflower that will pinch for you. And basil is basically nothing more than to add greenery, because we have all these flowers and no green, so you got some green to cut for your bouquets. Now, and another idea, if you don't want to use basil and you don't like the smell of it, You can use celosia, the amaranth that's feather-like, or you can also use the coxcomb variety that's brain-looking, and that is also available at Walmart. It would cost you a little bit more, but because I have not seen it in the 20 cents aisle, I was only showing what would be Frugal. But that's also another option if you don't want to grow basil. You can grow other herbs also that could be used as greenery. So this was the video, guys. I hope that this added value into your cut flower gardening, and you give a frugal, beginner-friendly cut flower garden a shot this summer, and share with me what you grow. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.